Today, I'm giving you my honest take on the Amazfit Balance Ultra and whether it's actually worth your money. I've been wearing it for daily use, workouts, and sleep tracking, and honestly, it's impressed me more than I expected for the price. The design looks premium, the display is bright and smooth, and battery life is a big win. I'm getting over a week easily. Health tracking is solid too, with accurate heart rate and decent GPS for runs and walks. But it's not perfect. The app ecosystem is still limited compared to Apple or Garmin, and sometimes the notifications feel a bit delayed. So, is it worth it? If you want a stylish smartwatch with strong fitness features without spending flagship money, yes, it's a great buy. But if you need advanced apps or pro-level analytics, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want a deeper comparison or battery test breakdown next. I'll see you in the next one.